South Africans are protesting against immigrants in their nation or in their country. Remember, few months ago, South Africans chased foreigners out of their country because they claim that those foreigners occupy their space, doing their job, and make life hard for them. In fact, they have so many reasons why they chase these foreigners out of their country. Both Nigerians, Ghanaians, Zambians, in fact, many foreigners from different parts of the African nation are being chased out from South Africa. Today, they were protesting again so that those foreigners that remain in their country should leave as soon as possible. Watch this.
That time is over. They better pack it up and go through that thing to Nigeria. Let's not forget the hijacked buildings that have been taken or have to be readdressed and needs to be taken back. The businesses that are run here in the city are mostly run by foreigners.
South Africans are not trying because if others do what they are doing, how are they going to feel? If Nigerians, Ghanaians, Zimbabweans, and other citizens chase out their fellow South Africans out of their countries, how are they going to feel? I don't want to say much concerning this, but this is not right. This is what we call black hating black, and it is not accepted. Let me not say much. What do you have to say? Drop your thoughts or opinion in the comment section. Let's know what you think. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate. See you in the next one, and bye.